Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I will be reviewing the Blue Yeti microphone. So the Yeti is one of the most well-known microphone, and almost all YouTuber, whether a tech reviewer or just general YouTuber, will ever use this microphone at some point on their YouTube career. So the Yeti is also one of the richest sounding USB microphone that money can buy. So first of all, the Yeti is made of a solid metal unibody which is built like a tank. At front, there's the blue microphone logo, a mute button which blinks red when pressed, and also headphone volume control. This microphone actually features a zero latency audio monitoring, which is a plus for this microphone. At the top, it's where the tri-capsule array kept inside the metal grill housing. The Yeti provides 4 recording modes which are stereo, cardioid, bidirectional, and omnidirectional. While each mode do have their unique purposes, but for voice-over situation, it is best to use cardioid mode because it cancels all the background sound and only focus on what's in front of the microphone. And also above the recording mode dial, there's a volume gain knob which can control how much sound's coming inside the microphone, and it really helps us to control the gain easier without any software. The Blue Yeti microphone connects using the USB cable which is included inside the box, and it plugs into the USB port below the microphone. And beside the USB port, there's a headphone jack and also a third-party microphone mount. The microphone stand is also removable by turning the cheaply built plastic knob on both sides, which I think will break easily. The microphone stand made out of a really solid metal which will last really long, unless if you want to clear up your desk space and use a microphone boom stand. The Blue Yeti microphone is really the best microphone money can buy, considering the price of only 230 Australian dollar. It can produce a studio grade quality audio. If you wonder how it sounds, the whole video you're watching is recorded on the Blue Yeti itself. But to know more how it sounds, I will do a sound comparison with each different mode and also with edits and without edits. So this is the bi-directional mode which capture front of the microphone and behind of the microphone. So if I speak from behind, you will still hear me, or you hear the click. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone cardioid mode, which cancels out all the background noise and focus more on what's talking in front of the microphone itself. So it's best used for the voiceover situation like this. So this is the omnidirectional mode which capture all the surround of this microphone, so you can hear me typing from the back and also my voice from the front and all the clicks from the side. So this is the Blue Yeti stereo mode. So if I move to the right, you will hear me from your right speaker, and if I move to the left, you will hear me from your left speaker. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone cardioid mode with edit of EQ and compression. Well, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please go crazy on that like button. And if you want more similar content, consider to subscribe. And as always, stay awesome.